guys, what's up? So welcome back to our channel Lakshmi Chakrada Vlogs. So ఈరోజు vlog ఏంటంటే డాక్టర్ చక్రీస్ విద్యాలయంలో జరిగినటువంటి ఆగస్ట్ 15 సెలబ్రేషన్. So let's see.
Once again, very good morning, my dear boys and girls. Yeah, very good morning. So up to today, I think so maybe we are going to complete 77th Independence Day. Now we are going to celebrate 78th Independence Day. Okay, so time to breaking the coconut. So the first coconut breaking by our chairperson and the legendary dedication. So Charlie sir, I would like to retired master Janardhan sir. So I would like to invite Janardhan sir.
Dr. Chakri honorable Chakri sir, Dr. Chakri sir and his wife Lakshmi madam ఇప్పుడు కుప్పగా కొట్టున్నారు.
Okay, is successfully we completed the flag hoist also and now
होंगे कामयाब गीत सुना रही थी हूँ। होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन हो मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास होंगे कामयाब एक in 8th class. Happy Independence Day to all. Independence Day is a national festival. It is celebrated every year on 15th August. It is an important
Studying 7th class. Today we celebrate 78th Independence Day. We remember our brave freedom fighters.
For all of you, Independence Day is celebrating on August 15th on the occasion of the getting independence for British. It is a very
happy Independence Day. The 78th Independence Day is the time to celebrate our freedom and
దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है మాటలతో మన దేశ మాతనే కొలిచెదమా భావం భాగ్యం కూర్చుకొని ఇక జీవనయానం చేయుదమా से ऊंचा रहे हमारा सूरज ने दी इसको लाली धरती ने अपनी हरियाली है नहीं है माँ से भरकर और बदले चाहे कितने दो सारे दुख हर लेती माँ.
Last Saturday we have conducted the CCA program, right? So now I'm going to announce the winners of the race program. I would like to go. Team of the race is F group with the 195 points. Give a big applause, comes everyone, comes. F group onto here, so they are going to get the prizes. I would like to go for any Hemachandra from 9th class. We picked up some members by observing on that day. So here, so these are the consolation prizes and good performers of race program. So Ranadip, many times we are very active and saying the answers immediately. So taking the mic. So everything will be observed. So next time you have to get that one. Be careful. And these members are going to get the prize on the hands of our Vice Principal Lakshmi ma'am. Give the Okay, na? So many are there. Give the big applause. Claps, everyone. Claps. Everybody is raise your flags. Enjoy the moment, Nana. So, raise the flags and enjoy the moment. Let's all up together. From third class, he went to the karate competition, the first national open karate championship for 2024, and so in the two events he won the gold medal. I would like to invite Ekansh from third class with a big applause. Claps everyone. He got the gold, also the bronze. Give a big applause. He went to the karate competitions and he won the gold medal. Okay, now so. The self protection is very, very important. Say sir, no. Clap support like English. I'm not getting your voice. Okay, accounts all of us. Okay. And these are the certificates. Give a big applause. Claps, everyone. Claps.
I hope you guys like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Lakshmi Chakra Vlogs, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye guys.